to digestion. Healthy eating habits lead to proper digestion of food. This makes you healthy and strong. You must follow the healthy habits as listed below. Wash your hands properly both before and after eating.
Turn the page.
Eating food. Always eat from a clean plate. Eat a balanced diet. Avoid eating junk food. Do not drink a lot of water while drinking. Eat food rich in fiber such as fruits and vegetables. Avoid refined white flour. Eat chapatis made from whole wheat flour. Include multigrain bread in your diet. Eat sprouted mung or gram seeds.
Mung.
They are rich in nutrients. This helps in good bowel movement.
Yes, thank you, Yukta. Completed for this particular chapter, the topic. We need to understand what are the healthy habits to be implemented, to be followed in our life in terms of digestion, in terms of excretion. Now, first we have to understand healthy habits in terms of digestion. Now, healthy habits in terms of digestion is very important as the bowel movement, as the passage of the food which is digested should go properly from the mouth to the food pipe to the stomach and intestine. So, this procedure should be in a proper healthy manner, just to have the proper hand washing before the food and after the food, which you all are familiar nowadays. And also, next important thing is we need to take a clean plate. Though your mother has been washed the vessel or your maid has washed, after you pick the plate, kindly clean and wipe the plate with a clean cloth, all right, or a tissue paper. Wipe the plate and then you can serve the food and have your food. Remember the second important thing, wipe the vessels, wipe the plate, the cup, the glass, and then you can have the food. Next important thing we should understand is we need to avoid junk food. You all are very known fact, very familiar with the word junk food. So you need to have a little less spicy food and little less of charts which is available, so that your digestion and your excretion is in a healthy manner. Include more and more of your
balanced diet.
yes, balanced diet like proteins and other multigrain vitamins, where the pulses and green gram seeds and other moong dal, which you say, all that should be included in your diet instead of the rice, instead of other things which are not so healthy to your diet. So always eat the wheat flour instead of the white flour, maida. Don't have more of maida or the rice, such items where the digestion also will not happen properly, or you will not have the proper nutrients to your body. Understood? These are the points which you need to include in your healthy habits in terms of digestion. The next important thing is in terms of excretion, what are the healthy habits? Shraddha, continue reading.
Healthy habits related to excretion. You should follow certain healthy habits so that waste material does not remain in your body for a longer time. Drinking plenty of water will help in the proper removal of waste from your body. Drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. You should never withhold urination for a long time because that might make you fall sick. Waste materials should be removed from your body at regular intervals through urine.
Good reading by Shraddha again. Children, as the healthy habits here is explained in a very detailed manner, that every interval, every now and then you should go for washroom for urination. You should not hold the urine and amel hoktini. No, please don't postpone. You have to go for urination regularly. And the very important thing is, Drink lots of water. The number they have given is 8 glasses. So 8 glasses, you can't count 1, 2, 3, 4 daily and drink, but at least whenever you have your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, and in between meals, whatever you consume, have the habit of drinking water. All right. And when you sweat too much, and when you go for walking, and when you go for shopping and you come back, kindly wash your hands, your legs, and drink a glass of water. And morning also, when you get up, kindly have this habit daily, at least from tomorrow, to drink at least half a glass of water to begin the day. And then after drinking little water, you can have a relaxation, then you can drink the milk. Kindly have these habits of drinking water regular intervals for whole day, so that your body will have the easy passage of the digested food in the body, and the excretion will happen well, so that the food will not get stuck somewhere in the parts where intestine ugly, stomach ugly. It will not get stuck, and it will have an easy digestion and passage through the excretory system. Is it clear now? Lots of water to be drink. You have to drink lots of water, otherwise the constipation, that means even for 2 days, 3 days, some of the students, some of the people will not go for washroom for removal of the feces. Okay, so you have to remove the waste material like the feces, like the urine every day. Otherwise, you will fall sick, and the body will have the pile up of your toxins, waste material inside the body. You should remove it every day. Understood? Feces removal and urination should happen daily, children. Eat healthy food and drink lots of water. Here ends the chapter. Next, fifth one is ureters. Ureters is DS or ES?
Yes.
ES. Very good. Write down ES.
Correct option. In which of the following organize does digestive starts in the human body? A. Small intestine. B. Blood
Vessels.
vessels. Stomach. D. Mouth.
I want Purvika to tell the answer. Where does the digestion begin? Starting point, digestion. Mouth. Very good. Please put a tick for mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth.
Organs are nutrients absorbed by the body.
Now you tell me, Abdullah. Small intestine, stomach, liver, urethra. Which is the organ where nutrients are absorbed? Tell me the answer. Abdullah should say.
Ma'am, urethra.
Wrong answer.
Small intestine.
Yes, small intestine is the
Small
correct answer.
intestine. Throat, which of the following organs is water absorbed by the body?
Tell the option.
Urethra, kidney,
Last.
uterus,
No, you are reading the third question. Option A, large intestine. B, stomach. C, urethra. D, esophagus. Which is the correct answer, Harichan? Which is the organ where the water is absorbed by the body? Okay, children, you all have told. The answer is large intestine.
organ, store,
Urine.
urine,
Which is the organ which store urine? Is it urethra, kidney, ureter, or urinary bladder? Tell me.
urinary bladder,
Okay, write down. Put a tick for urinary bladder. The organ which will store urine is urinary bladder. Put a tick. Tell the answer. Only Devendra should say. Others will not tell the answer. Which of the following is?
fiber,
Tell again. I'm not able to hear.
ma'am, fiber,
Very good answer, Devendra. Write down or put a tick. Everybody, fiber. Very good, Devinder.
The liver secretes that helps in the digestion of food. Saliva, digestive juice.
What is the answer, Ruchika?
Juice. Ma'am, digestive juices.
Very good.
In removing waste from our body.
What is the answer?
Excretion.
Excretory. Very good. So please put a tick for excretory all of you and write down in the blank excretory. The excretory system helps in removing waste from our body. Good.
Waste from our body is removed by the kidneys or stomach.
What is the answer, Ifta?
Ma'am, stomach.
No. Waste from body is removed by stomach. Illa. Kidneys. Yes.
Kidney.
Yes, right.
Is for inside the kidney ureter.
What is the answer, Moinuddin?
Kidney.
Very good. All of you put a tick for kidneys and write down the spelling as kidneys. Kidneys. You will again, as I keep telling, will not draw the lines here, will number here. Okay, for A column and B column, under the B column, you will only write the numbers and circle the numbers for match the following. Don't draw lines and don't make a zigzag like this. Alright, we'll start.